In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple stop motion animation in Google Slides. First, open your web browser, like Google Chrome, and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Choose your Google account, enter your password, and click Next to continue. Once you're in, you can also access Slides by clicking the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares in the upper right corner, scrolling through the list, and selecting Slides. Either way gets you to the same place. Now decide whether you want to work with an existing presentation or start fresh. To begin from scratch, click Blank Presentation. This gives you a clean canvas for your animation. Let's create the first frame, which is the starting scene of your animation. Go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Image and select Upload from Computer. Pick the image you want to animate and click Open. Once it appears on your slide, take a moment to position and size it. Use the corner handles to resize without stretching, and place the object where you want the motion to begin. With your first frame ready, look at the left sidebar and select that slide. Press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard to duplicate it. On a Mac, Command plus D does the same thing. You now have two identical slides, which is the foundation of the stop motion effect. On the duplicated slide, make a very small adjustment to your object. Move it slightly in the direction you want it to travel, or give it a gentle rotation. Keeping these changes small is key. Tiny shifts from slide to slide make the animation look smoother and more natural. Continue building your sequence by repeatedly pressing Ctrl plus D to duplicate the most recent slide. After each duplication, nudge the object again in small increments. You're essentially creating a flipbook. Each slide is a frame, and the subtle differences between them create the illusion of movement. If you want a slower motion, make smaller moves or add more duplicates. For faster action, make slightly larger moves. When you have several frames, it's time to preview the animation. Click back on the very first slide, then hit the slideshow button in the top right corner. While in slideshow mode, quickly press the spacebar or the right arrow key to advance through the slides. As you move through them rapidly, your image will appear to come to life with a simple stop motion effect. This straightforward method is perfect for interactive lessons, storytelling, and creative projects, and it all lives conveniently in Google Slides.